Well, 3 days after the Narendra Modi visa letter issue erupted, government still silent in action against the allegedly forged signatures of parliamentarians. BJP, in fact, is now putting the ball in the Speaker's court, asking for a thorough probe into the matter. 9 of the 65 MPs who were named in a letter to US President Barack Obama have denied ever having signed on the document. The MPs from across 5 parties have said the signatures are forged, and the government is now being pressured to probe the matter.
मेरे जानकारी से जो सिग्नेचर की गई है, मेरी जो फर्जी सिग्नेचर, वो राज्यसभा मेंबर के लिस्ट में कर दी गई है और मैं डिनाई करता हूं कि ये मेरी सिग्नेचर नहीं है, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसे कोई मांग की नहीं। सेकेंडली, ये जिन्होंने किया है उनको इतना समझना चाहिए कि ओबामा क्या करेंगे उसमें।
हमने लोकसभा के अध्यक्ष को हमने एक पत्र, मैं निश्चित रूप से इस विषय पर मैं पत्र देने वाला हूं और मैं अपने लोकसभा के अध्यक्ष से इस विषय पर, इस गंभीर विषय पर हमने यही मांग किया है कि इस पर उच्च स्तरीय निष्पक्ष जांच होनी चाहिए और जो भी दोषी, इसके लिए जो भी माननीय सदस्य हैं, उस पर निश्चित रूप से कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।
Meanwhile, the MP who organized the signatures, Mohammad Adib, has gone on the offensive, denying any wrongdoing. He's in fact accused MPs who have backtracked of doing so under duress. Well, Adib has also said that he is willing to resign if the signatures are forged and has in fact threatened to file a defamation suit. The DMK, meanwhile, has come down hard on its MPs who signed on the letter, warning of the strictest possible action against them. The argument that Modi matter is internal is also reflecting in government stand.
I think it's not right for anybody to ask the way they are asking. But this is a call now that the Americans have to take. We should try and settle our whatever we have amongst ourselves in our own country.
Interestingly, government stand is not being adopted by Congress ministers or even its allies. There are a number of MPs belonging to UPA who have signed the letter.
I have gone through the letter, and after that I have signed it. And I don't think there should have been any controversy. The BJP campaign managers, under the stewardship of Mr. Modi, they are digging out letters from archives.
United States is telling that we are protecting the interests of the human rights. Therefore, as representative of the people of India, we thought that we have to express our feeling.
So with Congress and other parties on the defensive in this issue, BJP has gained an upper hand.
इंटरनल मैटर है, आप पॉलिटिकली लड़ना चाहते हैं, झूठ वूठ बोल कर तो वो करते रहिए आप, लेकिन कम से कम विदेशों के अंदर तो आपको इस प्रकार से चिट्ठियां लिख करके भेजनी चाहिए और उसके अंदर भी नकली हस्ताक्षर। ये कहां के और कैसे सांसद हैं? शर्म आती है ऐसे लोगों पर।
खुद लोकसभा अध्यक्ष को और राज्यसभा के सभापति को संज्ञान लेना चाहिए कि कोई सांसद का फर्जी दस्तखत सिग्नेचर करके वो कैसे अमेरिका भेजा जा सकता है।